Want to know how to italicize text on Character.AI? Today in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to do so. Let's get started. First, open the Character.AI application on your device. Tap on Explore icon at the bottom. Here you can find many characters to chat with. Tap on any whom you want to chat with. Now to italicize your text, simply tap asterisk before typing in your text. Then close the text again with asterisk. Then send it. And that is how to italicize your text. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.